Ever seen ads for Botify AI Friend, a chatbot app where you can vibe like custom AI friends? Sounds cool, right? But is it legit entertainment or just another overhyped gimmick? Let's take a closer look. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Botify AI Friend lets you create and chat with personalized AI characters, anime style, fictional, or themed bots. It offers voice chat, customizable looks, and basic roleplay features. Users on the App Store give it a solid score, mostly praising its creative potential and ease of use. Some pitfalls: there is no Trustpilot profile for Botify AI, which means there's limited oversight or verified customer feedback. Apps like this often rely on in-app purchases, and the free tier tends to have heavy ads and usage limits. Spotify AI Friend is not a scam. It does what it says: fun AI-powered chats with customizable characters. That said, it's not perfect. Expect interruptions from ads, content filters, and occasionally frustrations if you try to push past the free limits. A solid pick for casual users or beginners, but it may not satisfy serious roleplay fans. Try Spotify yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments, good or bad. And if this helped you decide, hit like and subscribe for more no fluff reviews.